still illuminated, please do remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. For those of you traveling with infants and children, make sure that the seatbelt stays fastened around your children. Continue to hold your infants on your lap. Once the captain does bring this aircraft to cruise and smooth altitude, he will be turning the sign off. But until then, and at any time that the sign is illuminated, please do comply. And again, if you are traveling with children, please do not allow them to walk, run, or stand in the aisle. Escort them to and from the lavatory. This is for their safety, as well as the safety of the other passengers. If you are enrolled in a mileage plus program, you will receive 633 miles credit for the flight today. And in the seat pocket in front of you, you'll find a copy of United Hemisphere magazine. The Hemisphere contains entertainment as well as information guides, and it's your personal copy to take along when you deploy. Just as soon as we do level off and reach smooth air, we will be coming through with our morning coffee service. As always, our coffee, tea, soft drinks, and juices are complimentary.